Alright guys, just running the second one of my cons through now just to make sure that I'm doing alright and I'm not losing any gold out the bottom. The first bucket seems to be alright, so see how this second bucket goes. This is pretty much what I've got to go through. I'll speed it up for you guys. I like to let the spiral wheel run for a good, 5-10 minutes, if not 20. Just to make sure the black sand and the heavies are turning over and the gold's working its way up. You'll be surprised, you'll come back half an hour later and there's still gold working its way up the spiral, so definitely does its job. Dishwashing soap, couple of drops here and there, to stop the flows. Now I'm so happy the way it worked first time. I'm really not expecting to get much out of this. This is just to see if I've set it up correctly and I think I know what I'm doing. Which I hope I am. But you also have to remember, different gold is going to mean different settings. My gold is coming straight out of the river, so it's flat, smooth, so on a 45-degree angle with a nice, I wouldn't say it's a lot of water rushing through, but it's a nice trickle of water. Let's say, from a mine, more coarse gold, I'll probably increase it a bit more. And with a little bit less water pressure. But it just depends where you are, what kind of gold you've got, and how it works for you.